Hi all. So I'll be discussing about a backtesting strategy, and I'll give you a code how to backtest your code or the strategy you have in mind, how you can backtest it on any data. For this analysis, I'm using Nifty 50 data. I'm using last 20 years of data here. I'll share this data file on my GitHub, and I'll also share the Python code which I have written. So I just have open, high, low and close values. Okay, let's just move to the code. So I'm just reading this data and I have a simple strategy, which is I'm calculating a 12 moving average and 26 moving average. Along with this, in the strategy I am also using RSI. Okay, and I'm using the Bollinger Bands. For now I'm just using the rolling mean of 20 window. I'm not using any upper and lower band for this particular strategy. Okay, I have created a few columns in my data set. I have created a signal which says a buy or sell signal, a position just to keep a track, like where am I right now. Is it a buy situation or I'm in a sell situation? Then I'm also logging the profit. Okay, so I make a buy decision every time I have a crossover when 12 crosses 26 and the RSI value is greater than 50 and my close is below the rolling mean. Okay, and the complete opposite is a sell decision, so I give 1 or -1. Okay, now if my signal is 1 and the last day position is less than 0, that means I have not bought anything in Nifty 50 yet. So I change the position to 1. Now I am in buy state and I log the profit, which is subtracting last day's close with today's close. Okay, now if the signal is minus sell, -1, and the position is greater than 0, that means I can change it to sell and I log a loss. I just have one column which is positive is profit and negative is loss, and I take a difference of the close values. Okay, and if my last day position is equal to today's position, there is no change. Last day's profit is carried forward to new day. Okay, and in the end I'm just taking the summation of my profit column and just having a look like how much we could have made. So the number comes around 23,388. So if we could have taken every move according to this strategy in last 20 years, it could have multiplied your amount by 23,000 times. Thank you. Do like the video and subscribe to my channel, guys.